is Aoi Hasegawa. I'm the program leader of the Masters in Interior and Living Design and Masters in Product Design at Domus Academy. I studied architecture in Tokyo for both bachelor degree and master's degree, and I started my career as a set designer in a TV station. Today, I'm going to talk about the course of Design Formation. The Design Formation course is one of the first courses that you have when you come to Domus Academy. You can experience different design methodologies, and also you can cultivate the knowledge to explore your original and creative graphic identity. You will investigate various case studies in different scales: architecture, interior design, and product design. The Design Formation aims at creating a designer that can represent their work in different ways, in different scales, and we would like to form the students for the next generation. Domus Academy was born as one of the first postgraduate design school in Italy, so we have in our DNA to be a pioneer. So we would like to teach students how to be a pioneer and how to communicate your strategy in an original way, and we would like to anticipate the future in your original project. The world is drastically changing, so was the role of designers. We're not teaching any trends. We're teaching a solid design methodology. We offer a platform of experimentation. You can develop your knowledge and skills with design professionals. It's not anymore enough to have a sole knowledge of architecture, interior design, or product design to be a good designer. It is very important to have skills to cross the border of different domains of design. So Design Formation is aiming at giving you this strong tool. For the Design Formation course, we invite cutting-edge designers from Milanese context. You can interact with them directly to get to know the most recent information and communication strategy. At Domus Academy, peer learning is also very important. You learn a lot of things from your colleagues and teammates. You will be able to cross the culture by interacting with them, and Domus Academy is the best place to experience this world. The knowledge you get from Design Formation helps you proceeding in a professional way in a presentation of the workshop, starting from the research, concept creation, technical drawings, and all the sequences of the presentation of the workshop. In a design field, we communicate with drawings. Drawings is the most important thing that you have to show at the project. Good technical drawings like plans, sections, axonometric views, exploded views are fundamental to communicate your idea in a professional way. In Domus Academy, our principle is learning by doing. So you have to test yourself. You have to try again and again to find the best solution in terms of the graphic representation and analytical skills. In a Design Formation course, it's fundamental to identify your own creative graphic representation language. When it comes to the graphic representation, there are a lot of ways and methods and styles. But the most important thing is to keep the code. Keep the rules, keep the code, so that you can communicate with design professionals. The most important thing, however, for the product design, it's more relevant to produce photorealistic renders, to also show the scenarios of the product, how to use the product, and in what context the product can be. While in interior, in architecture design, it's more powerful and relevant to show the technical drawings. In a design formation course for the product design students, you'll be given a brief. So the brief is related to identify the brand and to design a small object for the brand. And by proceeding the design methodology, you will, at the end of the course, show and present your work. You'll get a knowledge of how to showcase your product with professional renders, technical drawings, and also communication strategy, meaning that you prepare a sort of pamphlet for the brand, for the product that you're going to launch. Also, you can design a website for the launch of this new product, but you have to understand the identity of the brand and what is the best strategy for the product of this company. For the students of interior and living design and the students of architectural design, the final outcome can be varied. In the past, we asked students to design a pavilion or exhibition design with mock-ups and physical model. Of course, in this case, the digital presentation is very important because you include not only the physical models and mock-ups, but also the graphic representation that you created within the course. All the techniques that you learned at the course can be applied also to your professional portfolio. Portfolio is very important for you to get new positions in the future. The portfolio is the powerful tool to open the door for your future career. Design formation course is related to the graphic representation and to cultivate analytical skills. These two elements are fundamental to express your creative ideas.